Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you the simplest way to clean up your iron whenever it burns a fabric or it gets so dirty. All right, so all you need your salt. Yes, so this is the beginning. This is how the iron looks like in the first place. So you need your salt. So you just have to take some quantity of salt, place pour it on a flat surface. You can pour it on a paper or whatever, then plug in your iron. Make sure the iron is a bit hot. So when the iron is hot, all you have to do is place the salt or iron on the salt, as you are seeing me do, as if you want to iron the salt. So do this until the salt covers all the iron, all the parts that need to be cleaned. After doing that, you are going to take a sharp object, maybe a blade, whatever, anything that can scrape it out. Then you scrape out the salt. So you can see what I am using in my own case. So scrape out the salt and wipe it off with a damp cloth. So you can see that I'm just scraping out the salt. So at this point, you are going to reduce the heat of the iron, so that the salt will not stick to the iron. Then you wipe it out with a damp cloth. Once you see that it is clean, you can do this process for like 2 to 3 times, depending on how dirty your iron is. For me, I did this twice because and my iron was so sticky. So this is what I got out after doing it. Can you see how it is? This is the first one that I scrape out. When I scrape it out at first, and you are going to be seeing the second one now. If you find this video helpful, remember to like this video, share, and drop your comments. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification, and I will see you next time. Bye for